one more drink and then I should be on my way home. I'm not entirely sure what you're talking about. I've had a really nice time, but my dogs need to be fed. I must say that in the right light, you look like Shackleton. Come on, Tally, vous ce soir, je suis comme si, comme ça. Yes, a penguin taught me French back in Antarctica. Oh, I could show you the way shadows colonize snow.
So, what are the dry valleys, you might be wondering? Most of Antarctica is, of course, covered by an ice sheet, but there are some areas that aren't. Small areas, coastal areas, and this is one of them. And the air here passes over the transantarctic mountains and really dries out and then drops down into these valleys. It's beautiful here. Amazingly quiet. This is a desert environment. This is one of the driest places on Earth for sure. And this pond is a rarity in the dry valleys, and that's one of the reasons we're studying it, because it's an epicenter of biological activity. So this is nostoc.
Yeah, actually they are dark green, but because there's so many of them, so it appears black. But they are dark green. And then the orange thingy, which is flowing around. Like
Yeah, I've seen lots of the orange thingies.
Yeah, for medium.
Lakes seem to be the hot spot of activity here in the dry valleys. These two boxes comprise the station, and what it does basically is it measures the pulse of the biosphere, measures microbes breathing, also measures some interesting soil geochemical processes that emit gases. So the sensor that I just zoomed in on measures the gases, and then there's a pit beneath it, underneath the desert pavement here, from which gases are being sucked out to this box where they get analyzed. So tell me about your activities. What's this bad boy?
This is not my baby, so I don't know.
This is a spectrometer.
And that happens every 2 hours for nearly the whole year, including in the winter, although it does sample less frequently in the winter. This is a ventifact, sculpted by the wind. And now for flux chamber sampling.
Show you the way shadows colonize snow, ice breaking up on the bay, off the Lassiter coast, light failing over the pole as every longitude leads up to
Yeah. Very good.
In the meantime, I can check the temperature. So I have the soil temperature is half a degree below zero.
Yep.
The pilot is flying on a pre-programmed waypoint, and what it has is basically a turbulence atmospheric probe that's sampling wind velocities.
Ice breaking up on the bay, off the Lassiter coast. Light failing over the pole, as every longitude leads up to your frostbitten feet. Oh, you're very sweet. Thank you for the flowers and the book by Derrida. But I must be getting back to dear Antarctica. Say, do you have a ship and a dozen able men? Then maybe you could lend me. Oh, Antarctica. Oh, Antarctica.
Now you may be wondering how I have so many fingers. And that's a cold weather adaptation. And now for flux chamber sampling.
Say, do you have a ship and a dozen able men? Then maybe you could lend me.